someone is rushing you to complete this process so that you can get a donation, unless they're offering a donation of $100,000, $500,000, $1 million, don't rush that process. Do not do it. You want to do this right, because when you rush, this whole process, this long form 1023, is setting up the entire foundation for your nonprofit. It's laying out documents and things that need to be in place so that you can hit the ground running.
So at irs.gov, this is where you will go to see where the IRS is giving us more detailed information on their determinations process as to how they are rejecting incomplete applications. So just go to that search bar, just put in incomplete applications. I've already done it, incomplete application, and let's just search. It's a very friendly website. It's got all the information you need. The IRS has given us a wealth of information, and see right here, changes to the tax-exempt organizations determinations process. That's what EO stands for. Rejecting incomplete applications. So let's just click on it. So here it's telling you, we'll return your application package and user fee if you submit a paper form 1023, easy, then 1024, 1024A. I don't deal with those, but we're going to focus on the form 1023 application. EO determinations will no longer process substantially incomplete applications. All right. So if you submit a substantially incomplete determination letter request, meaning you're asking the IRS to approve your organization as a tax-exempt organization under 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, they're telling you if it's substantially incomplete, they will return the application package and user fee to you with a letter of explanation. So they're not going to keep it if it's substantially incomplete. They're going to return that package and they're going to return that user fee. And they're telling you right here to avoid that. If you want to know, make sure your application is completed, or what they would consider to not be frivolous, so to speak, and you've actually completed it as best to your knowledge. They're telling you the things they're going to be looking for. Now, you know I have a checklist. It's in the link below. That is what you need to be looking at for a more detailed list. But they're telling you basically they want to make sure you have that current version of the application form. You want to get it at irs.gov, right? Again, just go up here and search for it, Form 1023. Make sure you put the correct user fee. If you know it's a $600 user fee in there, don't get it mixed with the streamlined user fee, which is $275. The long form 1023, that user fee is $600 to submit that application. So don't put the wrong amount in there. All right. A signature by an authorized individual. So that's an electronic signature. You're going to make sure that the actual individual that is authorized to sign off on that Form 1023 application is doing so. They're telling you here, you need an employer identification number, statement of receipts and expenses. All of these things are very important, or they're just going to automatically reject it. They're telling you that if it's substantially incomplete and you don't have this information, then we're going to reject it. We're going to send you your package back, and we're going to send you your money back. Well, in this case, you're submitting it electronically, so probably they're going to just send you a letter that says, hey, you don't meet the requirements for the 501c3 tax-exempt approval. Non-acceptance of Form 1023. Now, they're telling you if you attempt to electronically submit an incomplete, Form 1023, pay.gov, that's the system that you will use, the IRS system you'll use to submit that application. It's telling you pay.gov won't accept the submission. There's a reason this is an expensive process when people actually hire out, the application to be completed for them. There's a reason, because it is a lengthy process and it's a very detailed process, and you must not rush the process, okay? Unless you've been doing it for years and you know what you're doing, that's the only time you can kind of go through this, but you still, it takes time. It still takes time to get it right. So do not rush the process, period. It's just not worth it. You're going to waste your time and your energy trying to complete this. There's no such thing as completing the Form 1023 application fast, because there are a lot of supplemental responses that must go up with it. So be sure again to get my checklist in the link below, and everything that I have in that checklist is what you need to submit additionally when you submit this Form 1023 application.
Let me jump back in here really quickly. There's one thing I forgot to mention. Now, I know I've had people reach out to me. They have completed their package, but a little concerned about just sending it up to the IRS. They want me to review the package for them. So if you're one of those people, you have completed the package, you want me to review it for you, absolutely click the link below. I will tell you that there is a charge for that service, but I can assure you that it is a very valuable service. So definitely click the link below. If you're stuck at a certain part, I will be more than happy to review your package for you before you submit it to the IRS. If you want me to just complete the package for you, at one point I was not accepting new clients, but now I've opened that back up for new clients. So if you're just at the point to where you just really want someone else to do it for you, again, it's not a free service. I wish I could do everything for free, but guys, I'm sorry. But definitely click that link below, and I'll be happy to take care of that for you as well. So anyway.